Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Bitcoin. The bull retest is ongoing, and the price is following my previous outlook nicely. The monthly correction is still underway, and momentum remains bearish. We've hit the 88K support zone, and now we see a retest of that level with another bearish structure. The critical area is 88.5K. If bulls are unable to push above this, prices will likely fall toward a new low, targeting the $79,000 to $74,000 area. A weekly candle close under $82,000 would be a very bad sign. The bull scenario requires a consolidation above $79,000 to $78,500, which, if successful, could lead to another all-time high run. The chart remains clearly bearish under 89K, suggesting the likely path is to $76,000 or even $69,000 to $70,000 next. My advice is to not hope for a bull reaction yet and wait for clean bull reversal signs. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.